Hello, kindergarten. Today for our reading, we're going to be reading a little story on this page and answering some questions about it. So you need to get this page out of your packet and get your name on the top. We're going to read it and talk about it together, and we're going to answer one of the questions together, and then you're going to work on the other two on your own, okay? So the directions say to read this story 3 times and then answer the questions. And we have some words we're going to be talking about. What do you think this word is? Santa. What about this word? Bear. And bow. All right, so I want everybody to put their finger under this first word, and we're going to read this story. We're going to read it 2 times. I just want you to follow along with your finger and listen the first time, and then the second time you can try to kind of read it along with me, all right? But you need to be thinking. Don't just be reading. Just be thinking and listening to the parts of the story too, okay? I'm going to get their finger here into the first word, and let's read. I see an elf. Her name is Wendy. Wendy is making a bear. She gave the bear a bow. Wendy works for Santa. All right, now this time we're going to go back and you try to read it along with me if you recognize some of the words. Let's get our finger ready again. I see an elf. Her name is Wendy. Wendy is making a bear. She gave the bear a bow. Wendy works for Santa. All right, now this time I'm going to read it again one more time, but this time I don't want you to follow along. I just want you to listen, okay, and think about the story and just listen to me. I see an elf. Her name is Wendy. Wendy is making a bear. She gave the bear a bow. Wendy works for Santa. All right, so we're going to check. We read that story 1, 2, 3 times. Now we're going to answer some questions about it, okay? And you can come up and look at the words to help you find the answers if you need to. We're going to do question number 1 together, and then I'm going to read you number 2 and 3, and you're going to find the answers and do those on your own, okay? Number 1 says, what is the elf's name? What was the elf's name in our story? The elf's name is Wendy. So we're going to come up here and I'm going to find the word Wendy one time. There it is. And I'm going to use that and copy it to write my answer. So Wendy is spelled W-E-N-D-Y. Elf's name is Wendy. All right. Let's look at number 2. What did the elf make? And you have 3 choices. I'm going to read you each choice, and you're going to either put an X or color in the little box beside the correct choice, okay? So what did the elf make? Here's your first choice. Did she make a snowman? That's what she made. Fill in that box. Did she make a bear? If you think that's correct, fill in this box. Or did she make a truck? If you think that's correct, fill in this box. What did the elf make? A snowman, a bear, or a truck? All right, let's look at number 3. Who does Wendy the elf work for? Wendy the elf works for who? Okay, I think you can find the answer up here. You're going to choose one of these words and write on this line, who does Wendy the elf work for? All right, when you get all those answers filled in, you can color the picture of Wendy the elf. You can color the pictures up here at the top. And I'll talk to you all later.